Hey guys, this is Anubhav, and today I'm going to be showing you how to bypass the error when you jailbreak your device and you get an error something like this. For me it was this particular error. For someone else maybe some other error. So I'll tell you how to you'll still get the error, but you're gonna jailbreak anyhow. So let me just show you how to do it. So as you can see right now, I'm perfectly jailbroken, but when I reboot my device, I lose my jailbreak and I have to re-jailbreak again through uncover, but it's gonna give me the error and I'll still be able to jailbreak. And for those who says they don't have the Cydia app installed and they're not getting through the Cydia app, what I'm gonna suggest you guys to go to settings and just where is it, restore root fs. Just click this and jailbreak you'll initially lose your jailbreak, and you're gonna have to your device will reboot, and you have to go to settings again and disable this option root fs, and then you can jailbreak again, and hopefully this will install Cydia after 3 or 4 attempts. So okay, let's get started to this. So I'm gonna reboot my device to lose my jailbreak for now. So as you can see, now I am not jailbroken. So no jailbreak as such, everything is just plain. So I'm gonna go to uncover and enable my airplane mode just in case, and I don't have the restore root fs, it's just default options, and I am using the M2 kernel exploit, and I am on jailbreak beta 48. So here we go. As you can see, I still got the error, and this time it's a different error. It's a 1807 line, and install devs, the file is same, jailbreak view controller.m. So I'm gonna hit OK. You see my screen turns blank, but I am not rebooting or anything. It's just I press the home key, get back here, close this, go to settings, enable my airplane mode, and now you can see I am partially jailbroken because these are my tweaks loading. I am not fully jailbroken, but I'm partially jailbroken. So what I do is I go to a random tweak that lets me respring. So this particular YouTube tools lets me respring. So either you can do this, or you can open the Cydia app. You can still be able to open the Cydia app perfectly, and just go to any of the tweaks installed and just uninstall it, and or install another tweak that lets you respring your device. So this is important. You need to respring your device anyhow. So I go to settings, I respring, and voila, I am jailbroken now. even after getting the error message, I am still jailbroken. So I hope this thing will help you guys to get your jailbreak working. Thanks a lot guys for watching. I hope this helps you.